Amazing dancer.
Honeymoon part 2. Off to Seychelles. Oh my gosh, I don't think I'm actually leaving the room. And he booked a surprise that I'm not supposed to know about.
No,
so I'm going to pretend to be surprised.
Pretend to have my number.
Rude. Rude.
This is what I do when you're a Catamaran plane. I just see her go by me.
Guess what?
Peekaboo.
My 35th country.
I just hit 57. I've just finally crossed my age.
Show off.
Nope. Just older.
Just older. We just touched down in Seychelles. I'm so excited. It looks so beautiful.
Really beautiful. Way more
oh my gosh. Way bigger and built out than I thought as well.
Way more excited now.
Yeah, me too. Who's excited? Welcome! Yay! El Escale. Yay! El Escale. Today is a day I'm never going to forget. It's June 2nd, 2022, and I just stepped foot on my 7th continent. The honeymoon officially begins now. Welcome to our MTV Cribs worthy suite at the La Escale Resort in Seychelles. This place is insane! Okay, we got balconies on both sides. Look at that view. Oh my gosh. Chairs out here. And then, you know, we just have our private chef come and whip us up something in the kitchen. I think it's 1,500 square feet. And then another king suite on this side, and they're so sweet. They know about our honeymoon. They left us some nice fruit and a note, cute little swans and rose petals. Same setup for like the bathroom, and this one actually has little chairs, lounging for the closet. Now, each room has its own little balcony, but it's all connected. And here is a complete money shot. Oh my God! Look at this! Are you kidding me right now? Gorgeous! Hashtag blessed. And hashtag good honeymoon vibes. There's a bar down there. We got a huge like day bed. And look at this gigantic dining room table. We're here for like the next 6-7 nights, and I'm so excited! Oh my God. No, who's your wife? Not me. Well, this lunch view doesn't suck. What's going on? You gonna go for it? Do you have the huevos? Do you have the bird huevos? to get the bread. Oh, where are you going? Are you brave enough? Oh, look at babe. Oh, did you get one? I mean, I just can't get enough of this watercolor and this freaking view. That's our like hotel right there. Look how pretty it is. Baller status. That's us. The whole top floor. It's massage time. Yes, deep tissue massage for 90 minutes. Here I come. Super excited to get my relax on. How cute are you? Reminds me of Venice when you proposed. What's going on? Yeah, you're very naked. Why?
I just deleted social media for the next approximately 15 days.
Are you gonna be able to make it?
I don't know. I've been on Facebook since 2007.
I deleted it too. Baby chicken. How cute. Time for a workout with the view. Where did he go? That guy disappeared. Look at this place. So cute. And then there's this shy little koi fish in here. Where is Cameron? Why was the door open? Oh. He isn't in there. I thought for sure you were in there. Did you not hear that? Yeah, stud muffin. Give me a flex.
What?
Give me a flex. Flex. Where's the guns? Showing me the guns. Come on. The people want to see. Come on.
Amazing dancer. We're gonna have to buy one of these tables.
Baby chicken number 2.
Look at when you went to
Yeah. We're being serenaded. And this little guy just landed on me. Where are you going, little dude? It's the world's babyest wishbone. Look at our whip. Those are the coolest hubcaps I've ever seen. This again. Are we gonna make it in one piece?
Sure.
Stay left, stay left. Yeah, we're off. Scuba time. Scuba. Scuba diving in the Seychelles.
I'm nervous.
Are you?
Yeah, it's been a long time for me, so I'm remembering that I don't remember much of this stuff. But it'll be fine once I'm under, I guess.
It's my first real dive. Where are your real drinks? We have the master. Oh, what? You have a little bubble gun? What? And it's filled with smoke? Coolest drink ever.
I need one.
Oh my god. Ah, I feel like a magician.
That's amazing. I need one of those.
Are you gonna drink it?
I'm gonna drink it. Cheers. Let's let the past go up in smoke.
Oh, you're breathing it out of your nose. That's so cool. Coolest drink ever.
Very cool.
Are you kidding me right now? That looks extremely comfortable.
It's not bad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I assembled my baby. Look at her. She's so pretty. Let's fly her. I hope I don't crash.
Ashley is trying out her drone for the first time. Inside, killing it. There you go, first outdoor flight. There it goes, first outdoor flight. She's got it going on.
Oh, I took off the safety where it like wouldn't let me go right and left. On to suite number 2. Woo woo. Not woo woo.
Air conditioning.
Yeah, our honeymoon was supposed to be nice and relaxing.
Yeah.
And we have had like not great
nice
air conditioning for 5 days now, so
Yeah.
I guess we're getting upgraded again. Welcome to Spa Villa number 2. We got moved because our air conditioning was acting up in our last suite. And funny enough, this was actually the room that I originally booked for us. So here's one bedroom. Bathroom is into that door. Massive rain head shower. It's huge. Floor length mirror. Hi. Fix my hair. Huge shower. Huge bathroom. The toilet and everything is in there. The best. I saved the best for last. Check this out. Woohoo! Look at that. Our own private pool in this beautiful oasis. Dining room table, even a day bed over there, and overlooking this beautiful like garden with waterfall, and the spa is right over there. Pretty epic. I love that roll, cutie. How come you got 3 pieces right there?
You're the dominatrix of backhand.
Yes, I am. Bow down. Gammoned you.
Yeah, you did.
I spanked you.
Violated.
In all fairness, there is zero possibility that I would have won it on my own merit. So he did help me because he knows how to play this game in his sleep.
You won.
You don't have to look at it. Just because the camera's there. Stop it. You sicko. No, we're okay. Hi. Literally cannot take you anywhere.
Making out with each other and putting them in 69 positions.
Holy moly! These are whale koi! Why are you trying to get away from me? Whew! I just had like a top 3 Balinese massage here in the Seychelles. It was 2 hours. It's so needed. I actually almost fell asleep a couple times, and that never happens. And I probably had 300 to 400 massages. I wish I could take her with me to Kenya for the rest of the year. Hi, pretty bird. Well, I think the Seychelles Business Lounge takes the cake for the most in-your-face bathroom signs.